Ayan guys, lagyan ko pala ito ng talong. Ayan. Pahabol na talong. May pahabol na talong. May pahabol na talong. Sarap dyan guys. Action with talong. Ayan. Talong, talong. Talong guys. Okay. Oras pa yan. Guys. Ay, may talong na kupito. Okay, tingnan natin. Ayan na guys, luto na guys. Luto na ang ating paksiw with talong. Bye-bye na guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you.